standing here on location, and well, it's getting kind of crazy out here. Well, I don't know what's going on, but I'm sure our good friend, Mr. Hurricane, can tell us. Mr. Hurricane, can you tell us what in the tape measure is going on before I flip the light bulb out?
Well, I guess I could. We're experiencing a F9000. This is the biggest mother light bulb we've ever actually seen, so it's pretty exciting for me.
Oh, tape measure. Oh, weather.
Just calm down, Mr. Tornado. It'll all be over soon, I think.
Mother bleeper, how in the tape measure am I supposed to calm down?
I'm going to check the storm chaser mobile and figure out how we can stop this tornado, if it's possible.
Okay, well, you go do that, and I'm going to do my report. I'm Mr. Tornado with a drastic weather report, and it seems we have an F9000 tornado, according to Mr. Hurricane. So I'm about to tell it to leave. It's going to leave because that's what I say, because this is America. It's not what your country can do for you, it's what you can do for me. So you just get out of here. See, just like that.